Now guys, my iPhone storage is almost full because of this Safari. So this Safari is consume 80 gig. To remove or clear this 80 gig, you'll have to do is go to settings and scroll down and find this Safari. Okay, you can tap this, and here in Safari, scroll down again, and you can see here the clear history and website data. So you can tap this, and now you can clear the history and the data of this Safari. So okay, you'll have to do is tap the clear history button below to clear the data of these Safaris. Okay, we have successfully clear. So to check, okay, go to your general. In general, you can see the iPhone storage, so you can tap this to view the storage. So okay, now I have 98 gig available, and the Safari is almost clear. So you can show all to view the Safari. So 58 MB used today. So that's it. We have successfully cleared the data of this Safari application on your iPhone or iOS.